Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by lining up prerequisites and then taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your Google account has Gemini access and your device runs the latest OS. Once ready, gather 1-2 reference examples and a clear intent outline so the model matches tone. Next, open the Gemini interface, pick the model variant that fits your task, and set temperature and response length. This early precision prevents wasted iterations and lets you iterate faster while keeping outputs on target. Once done with setup, you move into detailed prompt engineering and iteration. Begin with layered prompts. Clear instruction, constraints, and one example, then test 2 to 3 variants to compare. Make sure to tweak temperature and add stop sequences or system-level instructions to control output shape. Evaluate each result for fidelity, conciseness, and factuality, and log what changed. This middle phase explains why tiny prompt shifts yield big differences. So keep changes isolated and iterate quickly to converge on the best pattern. To finish, you finalize a prompt template and lock the model settings so results stay consistent across runs. Once the template is stable, run batch tests to measure consistency, then export or save accepted outputs for reuse. Make sure to version your template so you can revert if needed. If things go wrong, try increasing context length or adding clarifying constraints and rerun only the changed portion. This final pass ensures reproducibility and gives you a quick recovery path when outputs drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.